All right, fans, at this time, let's meet tonight's starting lineups for today's game. First, for the visiting Omaha Storm Chasers, top affiliate of the Kansas City Royals. Announced this evening by manager Brian Poldberg. Leading off, playing center field, number 14, Billy Burns. Batting second, playing shortstop, number 3, Nicky Lopez. Batting third, playing left field, number 25, Paulo Orlando. Batting fourth, the designated hitter, number 33, Frank Schwindel. Batting fifth, doing the catching, number 46, Cam Gallagher. Batting sixth, playing third base, number 2, Ramon Torres.
You gonna be ready here? And I mean, you have.
Batting seventh, playing right field, number 6, Elier Hernandez. Batting eighth, playing second base, number 1, Jack Lopez. And batting ninth, playing first base, number 13, Humberto Artiega. The starting pitcher for the Storm Chasers is number 43, Zach Laverne. And now, here is the CarStar starting lineup for your Colorado Springs Sky Sox. Top of minor league affiliate of the Milwaukee Brewers. Announced this evening by manager number 16, Rick Sweet. Leading off, playing right field, number 6, Nate Orr. Batting second, playing shortstop, number 21, Tyler Saladino. Batting third, playing center field, number 15, Tyrone Taylor. Batting fourth, the designated hitter, number 32, Domingo Santana. Batting fifth, doing the catching, number 29, Christian Bethencourt. Batting sixth, playing first base, number 31, Richie Schaefer. Batting seventh, playing left field, number 40, Reimer Liriano. Batting eighth, playing second base, number 18, Andres Blanco. And batting ninth, playing third base, number 13, Dylan Moore. The starting pitcher for the Sky Sox is number 38, Aaron Wilkerson.